Hello, and welcome to this Getting Started presentation for critical thinking and study skills. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started in the course, how to sign into Florida Virtual, and a preview into the actual course. So to sign into your class, you want to go to www.flvs.net and you want to click on Login. From there, you're going to click on FLVX Flex, formerly part-time, and you'll be passed over to a screen that looks like this, your login screen. You want to put in your username and password. If you don't have that, you can go ahead and call this toll-free number and they can give that to you. But once you put in your username and password, go ahead and click Login, and then it'll pass you over into your student dashboard. From here, you're going to click on VSA, Virtual School Administrator, and here is your dashboard where you can see your records, messages sent to you by Florida Virtual. Here you can update like your phone numbers if you need to and things like that. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see access to your course. You will see the title of the course, and you can either click on that or click enter the course to enter into your class. From there, you're going to click on you're going to see your course homepage. Please take some time to review this announcement page, look at the resources that are available. Definitely take down your teacher's information, the phone number, and that way you can have it handy if you ever need it. Now, you're going to scroll to the very bottom, and I really want you to take notice of the live lesson calendar that's on there. Every month, you will see an updated live lesson calendar. This is a required portion of this class, so you want to make sure that you look at the schedule, find one that fits for you, and attend one sooner rather than later. If you finish the whole class but do not do the live lesson, you will not be able to have your grade finalized because this is a requirement. So make sure that you are picking a session that works for you and you do it sooner rather than later. Now, as you're in the course, you can navigate through the course through this condensed menu right here, this black bar. Or if you click on the main menu option, you'll see an expanded version of it. There's a lot of things that you can do in both places, like see your lessons, or click on assessments to do your work, or check your email. Okay, so notice there's a lot of similarities in there. So as you get more accustomed to the class, you'll see which one you like to use better. Now, you'll also see that if you click on the main menu, you'll see this gradebook option right here. The gradebook is a great place for you to review your assignments, resubmit your work, check what your current grade is, and I will take you into that in just a moment. Now, here is a list of the 24 assignments that you have to do for this class, okay? Now, you're going to see here that there's several assignments that you have 3 attempts for. For the quizzes, the final exams, you don't, but there's a lot that you have several attempts for. I also want you to take notice of lesson 205. You will be required to do a little video for that assignment. And lesson 406 is your discussion-based assessment. For the discussion-based assessment, you will look at your main page, you will call your primary teacher, and you guys will discuss the prior assignments and what you've learned so far. After you do the live lesson, you will submit the evidence for it right here under the enrichment activity number 1. Now, we do have a 14-day rule that you must be working consistently for a minimum of 14 days. So here are some possible paces that you can choose from for this class. You could do 8 assignments a week and be done in 3 weeks. You could do 5 assignments a week and be done in 5 weeks. You could do 4 a week and be done in 6 weeks. Or you could do 3 assignments a week and be done in 8 weeks. I suggest that when you complete your welcome call that you discuss this with your teacher and decide which pace works better for you. Now, it's very important that you are working weekly because that is what keeps you active in the course. Do not give up your spot by not working. Say that you go 7 days without working. That's what starts that process. So please, please make sure that you are making a schedule and that you are working weekly. Originality matters. It matters to us what you write in our course. So please make sure everything is in your own words. Never copy anything from the web or a friend. Our system is smart. It automatically syncs with Turnitin and it automatically checks the authenticity of your work. Please make sure that you are doing your own original work. So let me go ahead and help you get started in the actual class. So you want to start by clicking on the lessons, and here I am showing it to you in the condensed version. When you click on the lesson, you're going to start by clicking on Success Mindset. Notice you do have 4 sections here, 4 chapters. So Success Mindset, Study Skills, Testing Skills, and Critical Thinking. And within each chapter, you have different subsections. So you want to work in order. So start with Success Mindset and go ahead and click on the entrance survey. For this assignment, you'll go ahead and just click on Complete Entrance Survey, and once you do so, you'll get a code, and that code is what you will submit under the assignments. Now, I want to take you in a little further. I want you to notice that you have these arrows here. As you're reading lessons that have more, for example, the first lesson, you're going to see and hit your turbo that there's 7 pages to go through. So you want to make sure that you read the pages carefully. You'll have some videos, you'll have some interactives that you want to make sure that you view. And then once you get to the page that says assignment, then this is what you're going to be submitting to us. So make sure that you take special notice so that you know what it is that you're going to be turning in for the assignment. So to submit the assignment, to turn it in, you want to click on assessments. Think of assessments as your to-do list. So to submit your assignment, you would click on the 100 entrance survey. Say that we just finished that, we have the code. We would click on that assignment or that title, and it would open up something that looks like this. Now, you want to go ahead and in the student comment area, write your answers directly in there. I will show you that there is a place for you to upload a file. So if you have like that video for that assignment or something that has a chart or a picture or something like that, then you can go ahead and add a file. But if you don't have a file, no image, no chart, no audio, no video, then just go ahead and put the work in the student comment area. If you do have something that you need to attach, then go ahead and use that button. Now to submit your work, you want to select this little box right here and then click on the blue button to submit. And that is how you submit an assignment. So how do you know if it's submitted? Well, in that example, I showed you the entrance survey. Notice that the entrance survey is no longer there. So once you submit an assignment, it will go away from your assessments, okay? Now, you could always go into your grade book and see it there, see what's going on in there, right? So if I were to go to my grade book right now, then I would see that the entrance survey is in this bluish color, okay? Because it is submitted and waiting to be graded. Now, I want you to notice the really great information here. You can see your grade here. You can see the color coding for the different assignments, submitting to be graded, graded you did well, graded maybe you should redo it, that type of thing. So you want to make sure that you take notice of all of this. You can also see how many assignments you've done out of the total assignments. Okay, so your gradebook is a wonderful place for you to see where you are, see how you're doing, but also if something needs to be fixed, you fix it directly from here. You click on the title of the assignment that you need to fix and you resubmit it. Now, the beauty of this class is you can work any day, anytime. 7 days a week, this class is open to you, okay? All your teachers are here to help you Monday through Friday, 8 to 8. So feel free to reach out to them during that time. And if you haven't already done your welcome call, go ahead and reach out to your teacher. That way you guys can discuss individual information. Have a beautiful day.